Hello, we are Rie and Hiromi, cousins from Japan. Today we will show you how to make an easy koi fish origami. First, place a piece of origami with colored plain side face up. Fold in half to make a triangle. Then unfold. Fold in the bottom and top corners to meet at the center. Turn it over. Bring the left corner over to the right and fold. Turn it over. Put your finger in a pocket. Open it up and fold along the horizontal center line. Do the same for the upper part. Take only the top flap over to the left. Fold the left corner to the center. Fold in half from the bottom. Take the flap and fold to make a pectoral fin for both sides. Finally, fold up a bit to make a tail fin. Once done, it's complete. Thank you for watching. Happy folding! 最後まで見てくれてありがとうございました。Please subscribe our channel if you like what you just watched or would like to support us. Please feel free to leave a comment or two. If you have any questions, ask us. We'll try to answer them for you. Any feedback is appreciated. Also, don't forget to follow us on Facebook and Instagram. The latest info will be posted there. Happy folding, everyone!